Hey everyone, I'm starting out with some little bunnies. They're erasers, there's 8 in a pack, and then this wood flower. I'm also using another little bunny from Dollar Tree. I had that on hand, as well as some grass, which I had on hand. And these two containers, I believe you put them under pots for your plants, and there are 6 in a pack. So altogether, if you had to go out and buy this, it would be $5. There's no need to be perfect with any of the painting in this video, as it will all be covered. I'm also going to paint the larger bunny pink. Now I'll be painting the other plastic container green, as well as the wood flower. I'm painting these so when I put the grass on, there won't be any different colors showing through. Now I'll use hot glue to attach the flower to the bottom base, and you need to be careful when doing this because the hot glue could melt the plastic. It didn't melt, but it made it soft. And once I get that placed on, I will place the other plastic container on top of the flower. Now I've just laid down some craft paper because this will get messy. I'm going to cut the grass up, and then I'm going to hot glue it all around the top base and around the flower part as well. Now that I have all the grass in place and trimmed up, I'll begin placing the bunnies. I felt like it needed something else, so I went on a search. I found some jelly beans in the kitchen that the kids had been eating, and I just took several of those and placed them around. And yes, you caught me eating a jelly bean. Here's the completed project. It turned out really cute. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And my name is Rita. My channel is Craft Today with Rita Renee. And if you liked the video, give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Comment and share the video. Thanks so much for watching.